Hi everyone, and welcome back to another WOLFF Weekly Vlog. My name's Anthony, I'm one of your friendly baristas here at WOLFF, and today I'd definitely like to talk to you about the different flavours that can be found in coffee. As a barista, I often encounter many customers on a daily basis that are quite overwhelmed by the sheer volume of choice and variety of coffees available here at WOLFF. Now, whether you're choosing to buy or purchase a bag of coffee beans, or choosing their specific coffee blend for their own beverage of choice in the morning, many people are very, very overwhelmed by the wide variety of range. In terms of your simple cup of coffee and the flavors that can be found, it's actually not that simple. Much like with the different foods that we all personally enjoy and prefer, coffee is actually no different. Take, for example, apples. Both are delicious, tasty fruits, but both have their own unique characteristics. They differ in both color, size, texture, acidity, sweetness, and each person may have their own preference of which they prefer or not. Now, there are numerous parameters that can actually influence the actual final flavor in the cup of coffee that you enjoy. These can include the various origins or the location where the coffee has been grown and harvested from, the varietals or the types of coffee that found in the specific blend or the single origin itself, the processing and harvesting method in which the actual coffee bean was obtained from the actual cherry, and finally, but not least, the actual roast profile itself and how the coffee bean has been manipulated to be a lighter or perhaps even a darker roast in terms of what the end result and flavor the roaster was trying to achieve. Coffees will have their unique own characteristic flavor. Some of the various tastes and flavors can be found in the coffees include various fruit flavor notes, including citrus, berry-like or even stone fruits. You may find some sort of floral and tea-like characteristics and aromas in there. And of course, moving on to your more traditional flavors, such as brown sugar, caramels, and both milk and dark chocolates. Some of our coffees are best consumed either as an espresso or black on their own, or some preferred basically as a milk-based beverage or work better as a milk-based beverage. And some, luckily enough, can actually work optimally on both. So there's no right or wrong flavors in terms of coffee. So for example, a single origin coffee here, we've got two examples here. One is from Cuba, okay? Quite caramelly, sort of dark flavor notes of chocolate and butterscotch, and a few sort of smoky sort of characteristics and spices that can be definitely found in this one here. It's no different or worse or good or bad, it's about what you prefer, as opposed to this Kenyan coffee here from Boyce Harry's. Delicious sort of French mission pea berry that's been washed. Very vibrant fruit flavors of grapes and gooseberries with lemon lime bitter characteristics. And maybe even that dark honey sort of bittersweet sort of flavor as well. So if you're ever in doubt and after any recommendations, advice on which kind of coffee to purchase, whether it be a blend or a single origin, feel free to come down here to WOLFF out at the bar and ask one of our friendly baristas here who will be more than happy to help. Also, check on our website here. We have a wide variety of coffees for you to purchase and also to subscribe to. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact us anytime. All right, guys, until next time for the next weekly vlog, we'll see you then. Thanks.